Monogram Home Vietnam is located in Bao Bang Industrial Park, Vietnam, with a $50 million investment and generates over $200 million in annual exports. We import high-quality logs and lumber from the USA and Europe, and manufacture our own wooden components, producing plywood to ensure the highest quality in our kitchen cabinets. Using advanced machinery and cutting-edge production lines, we process premium materials with precision. We provide OEM and ODM services for kitchen cabinets, from design to production. Our advanced facilities include Southeast Asia's largest Feng Chou UV coating line and the best Cepra coating system, producing smooth, consistent finishes. We use Sherwin-Williams paint, ensuring industry-leading quality. With a monthly capacity of 150 MDF and 120 solid wood kitchen cabinets. From 2024, we will produce European-style kitchen cabinets to diversify and expand our presence in the US market.